Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my CVS video for you guys. There are some really good deals this week. Obviously, the ball of the show is going to be Covergirl with the $10 moneymaker. I'm hoping that my store has enough in stock. If not, I'll have to wait till they restock on, I think they restock on Tuesdays, because I really want to make as much money on the deal as I can. I don't want to buy the higher price items if I don't really have to. If you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. And so really quick, so there's been, I don't even want to say it's a rumor because I don't think it is, but Couponing with Sal, I think it's her channel name. She posted something on Instagram the other day about CVS cracking down, like really like cracking down to the point of suspending people's accounts for suspicious activity. I don't necessarily know what that, I mean, I assume obviously multiple cards is a problem. I don't know what else could be considered suspicious. So there's that. I was talking to one of my cashiers today and she was saying that, she said last week actually, one of the customers, she had went in there and something about her card not working, two of her accounts, and it said contact customer support or whatever. And so I don't know, I mean, I'm kind of like, I'm not really necessarily surprised because I mean a lot of us do have multiple cards. I'm not sure if that's the root of it, the complete root of it, but I know that's probably an issue. And I've thought about kind of getting rid of a couple of my cards and just using maybe 2 or 3, and I may do that. I may be forced to do that, but we'll just see. We'll have to see what happens with people getting their accounts suspended, which really sucks. At the same time, I mean, they can do what they want. It's their company, it's their rules, they make the rules or whatever. So but I just kind of wanted to just kind of mention that really quick. Other than that, you guys, let's head over to CVS and let's see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab this week. All right, guys, you already know, like we have to smash this deal real quick. It's on Covergirl, and I was just saying last week that was the biggest week that I had ever seen the Covergirl. This week we're getting back 10. Big shout out to one of you guys who let me know about this early last week, so I could be prepared. And so we're gonna grab 3 of them and get back 10. So originally I was gonna grab the 499 pencils. I was gonna grab 3 of those, but that would put me at like $14.97. So the $4 CRT we all got would adjust down by $1. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the pencils at $4.99, and I'm gonna grab 1 at $5.79. Now for coupons, we do have $4 printables that expired yesterday, and then we also have insert coupons right here that expire on the 1st. All right, and then we're all getting a 4 off of 1 Covergirl CRT right here. All right, so the total for all 3 is going to be $15.77. The $4 CRT will adjust down, making it absolutely free, and then you're going to get back a $10 extra care buck, making this a $10 moneymaker. All right, so the next deal that I'm going to be grabbing is on the whole blends. It is 2 for $8. It's buy 2 get back 2, and so for that we're going to grab 2 of them, priced at $8. Again, we'll be using a 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com that I just printed today. We also have a 3 off of 2 digital we're hoping will glitch as well. We'll end up paying 2, getting back 2, making them absolutely free. We have the same identical deal on the Garnier Fruit Teas. Again, 2 for $8, buy 2 get back 2. For that, we're using 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. We also have a 3 off of 2 digital we're hoping will glitch with that as well, bringing that down to $2 out of pocket, getting back 2, making it that also free. Now this week, you guys, surprisingly, I did not get a 3 off of 15 Garnier shampoo CRT. All of mine are like 4 off of 25. So yeah, would have been a money maker with that, but free is free, and free is for me. This next deal is on the Skintimate razors. They are 2 for $14, and it's also buy 2 get back 4. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. For this, we'll be using a 4 off of 1 insert coupon right here. Now we're hoping it's gonna glitch with this 5 off of 2 digital right there. I'm hoping it does, because let me see, 7 and 7, yeah, so the 5 should attach to 1, and then the 4 should attach to the other one. So hopefully if that works out, we'll end up paying 5, getting back 4, making them only 50 cents each. All right, so the next deal I'm gonna do, I was gonna do the do this, what is it, spend 15, get back 5. I was gonna add in the cottonelle wipes and the cottonelle tissue because there was some Shopkick offers, but they were there this morning, but when I got to the store I didn't see them. I tried changing my location, and so I still don't see them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of the Scott's paper towels. Are priced at $5.49. Again, spend 15, get back 5. So 3 of them are gonna come to $16.47. Now I do have 50-cent coupons right here that I got from my Ip. That's gonna bring the total down to $14.97, and then we're gonna get back the 5, making it $9.97 for 3 packs. Are only $3.32 each. Now remember, we did have Covergirl. That was a $10 moneymaker. So that Covergirl moneymaker that we really don't need, right? We get those every single week. I know y'all probably got 1,000 of them at home. That's gonna help pay for these right here. So I might do this deal across the board. So yeah. All right, so I came over here to get a couple of Cetaphils to help get my total to 70, so that I can use my 10 off of 70, and realize that the trial section stuff is on promotion as well, and it's spend 15, get back 3. So I think I have a 3 off of 9 CRT. I'm not going to use it with this one though, but I'm going to give you 2 different scenarios if you have the CRT and if you don't, granted that you have the printable. All right, so for this you want to grab 4 of these, priced at $4.29. You use 4 of the printable coupons right here that I got from my Ip Fairy. You would end up paying like $1.16 out of pocket, getting back the 3. It would make it a $1.84 moneymaker. Now if you do have the 3 off of 9 CRT, again you're going to grab 4 of them. Total is going to come to $17.16. Now if you use 4 of the printables here, then the $4 CRT, I'm assuming, will adjust down to $1.16, making it free, and then you'll get back a 3, making a $3 moneymaker. So that's what I'm assuming would happen. I'm not gonna do it yet because I have a 10 off of 70. So I'm just gonna grab 2 more of these. I think I'm like $7 away from hitting 70. I'm just gonna grab 2 of them since that's all I need. And then it's gonna track. It'll track towards that. So I'm sure I'll hit it on my next transaction. And then, I mean, I could get it now, but actually, well, no, because they only have 3 of these, and that's the only item I know this coupon works on. I haven't tried it. Well, it's $4, so it's not gonna work on that one. And if I had a 3 off of 1 coupon, I would totally mix and match and just knock it out right now, but I don't. So I'm gonna just let it track and get it when I get it this week. And so yeah. Alright guys, that was pretty perfect. So there goes the garnier at the very top. So I did the same thing that I've been doing. I scanned the whole blends, I scanned my receipt, we totaled the transaction, allowed the digital to attach, then we went and finished scanning the rest of the stuff. So there goes the garnier at the very top, there goes the whole blends, there goes the Skintimate, there goes the Scott's, there goes the Cetaphil. I grabbed 2 of those, and then there goes the Covergirl. Alright, so all of my coupons scanned that I used. There goes the Hopelands digital. There goes the Fruities digital. There goes a 5 off 2 check. And then there goes a 10 off of 70. The $4 Covergirl, it did adjust down, which is what I expected it to do, to $3.77. And then I wrote a total of $14 in extra care bucks. 62 cents was our subtotal. So $14.65 out of pocket. And then we got back 2 for the Hopelands, the Fruities. The 4 was for the check, and then 10 was for the Covergirl, and then 5 for Scott. So $14.65 out of pocket, got back 23, making everything an $8.35 moneymaker. And so yeah. Alright guys, so this next deal that we're gonna go ahead and grab is gonna be on the Degree. It's buy one get one 50% off, and it's a buy 2 get back 4. So one at $5.29 and the other one at $2.64. The total is going to come to $7.93, and then we have a 2 off of 1 digital right here. I did have a tear pack coupon. I thought it was for this, but I think it's for the sprays. And so you end up paying $5.93, getting back 4, making it $1.93 for both of them, or only 96 cents each. Now this card, I do have a 7 off of 70, so I'm going to repeat all the same deals and yeah. So this next deal is on the Dove. I'm sorry, this music. So y'all know, you already know this is Club CVS. Like this location, yeah, they be partying like all day. So it's on the Dove. It is buy one get one 50% off, and it's also buy two get back five, which is probably I think that's the most we've ever gotten back on an extra care buck deal on Dove. And so the first one is $5.49. Your second one is gonna be how much? $2.74. So both are gonna come to $8.23. I'm gonna use 2 of these $1.50 coupons right here from my Ip Fairy. All right, that's gonna bring it down to paying $5.23 and getting back 5. Making it only 11 cents each. Now I also have a 3 out of 15 CRT, so if you want to grab 4, you can grab 4. The total is going to come to $16.46. You'll use a 3 out of 15 CRT and 4 of the $1.50 printables. You'll end up paying $7.46, getting back the 5. It'll bring them down to 61 cents each, which is not bad. But yeah, I low-key want free or really, really cheap. And so yeah. Here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Let me see. For the most part, I worked on 2 situations. I was happy to pick up some more Scott because I feel like we go through a pack a week. And so I'm always happy when I can grab that. Although I prefer like Viva or like Bronny. But if it's going as fast as it's going, I'd rather the Scott go fast than the Viva or the Bronny. You know what I'm saying? And so everything here worked out pretty good though. And so I'll pop up the receipts I didn't show you. I just have 4 receipts. I think I showed 2 in the video. And I'll pop up the other 2 for you guys. So yeah, but everything worked out really good. Like I said, with the whole blends and the fruities, again, just have them scan the whole blends first, scan the coupon, total it, and then go back and scan the rest of the stuff. That's what I did. It worked out fine. I was going to do Dove, but I had the 5 off of 2 Pilly that I got from Walmart. So I found a couple the other day. And it took the coupon, but then it voided at the end. So I had to pass on that deal. I might try it again later this week, though. What else? Other than that, you guys, everything worked out really good. All right. So everything you see here retails $210.06. We had $158.44 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $51.52, which is just awesome. Just over 50 bucks for everything you see here. And then we walk away with $70 in extra care bucks. 70 bucks back in extra care bucks, you guys. This is an awesome haul. It makes everything free plus an $18.48 moneymaker. Now the tax on this was $14.24. So even after tax, we still make almost $5, which is still not bad. So other than that, you guys, that's all I can say for this haul. Definitely gonna go back and I'll probably do Rages again. Gonna finish off with the Covergirl across the board. Probably do Dove, Whole Blends, and Fruities as well. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.